Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of DeepSeek. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of DeepSeek and you will enter here to this app. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DeepSeek. Then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again.